You
I can do that too.
I can do that too. Hey, Kania.
Hi.
Hi. Yo. Oh, you want some? You want some?
No, you're good.
You want some?
I knew it. You were lesbo all along. It's okay. Just admit it.
I am not lesbo. I am bi. Say no.
I knew it. No, you already admitted it. I'm gonna edit out the parts when you said like nah.
Say no.
Oh!
No, you're disgusting.
I'm gonna edit it out.
It's like that.
No, you can wait. I'm a lesbo. I'm like, oh, I knew she admitted it.
No. Why you? I can zoom into your face too. Hey, you like my boots? Yeah, she stole my boots.
My boots are better.
No, my boots are sexier. I can do this all day, you know.
Your video's gonna stop, and mine's gonna keep
I
going.
can keep recording until I have to go pee.
You already say you have to go to the bathroom.
Shut up.
You say you don't know how to use the bathroom.
What's your point? Oh my god, my scarf dance was so stupid.
It's my scarf.
Shut
Scarf
up!
dance.
Okay, I have my own scarf. Yeah, scarf dance.
Scarf dance.
Scarf. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
This is it.
See, I'm gonna do it again. Oh, I can't do it.
Scarf dance. Scarf dance.
Let's go.
Turn it all around.
Now you're doing my dance, huh? Are you trying to steal my dances, huh?
It's my scarf.
Okay, I can get my own scarf too, and my scarf is way sexier. My scarf is way sexier than your scarf. Oh!
Oh!
Look at my scarf, guys! Look at my scarf, ain't it sexy?
My scarf is way better. It's in the yours is like a summer scarf. Mine is fit for the winter.
but
It's
still
snowing outside.
What's your point?
You gonna be all cold?
See, it still looks good. Oh.
Scarf dance. Turn it all around. Scarf.
Why are you trying to take my dances now, huh?
It's mine now. I already took it.
No, you can't take my dance. No.
Scarf fight.
I can do the, a scarf fight. Oh!
See? Oh, I win.
You know what? I don't like you. Don't talk to me.
I bet you your phone stopped recording, didn't it?
It did. It's still recording. Oh, it's still recording. Oh. Oh, crap! It just let me press done.
Ah! I win. I win.
You know what? You're so mean.
Say bye.